SFX Engine AI is one of the latest AI tools making waves in the digital space. And in this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced user, this software might be exactly what you're looking for, so stick around to see what sets it apart. First off, if you're wondering whether SFX Engine AI is right for you, the answer depends on what you're hoping to achieve. This is a powerful software specifically designed for automating and enhancing sound effects in digital media. Perfect for content creators, marketers, and anyone who works with sound on a daily basis. But what makes it stand out? Let's break it down. The interface is extremely user-friendly. For those new to AI or sound editing, you won't feel overwhelmed. SFX Engine AI uses intuitive controls, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for experienced users. You can jump right in and start enhancing your projects without a steep learning curve. What really sets SFX Engine AI apart, though, is its ability to analyze audio tracks and automatically suggest adjustments. It takes into account things like volume levels, EQ, and sound clarity, giving you a polished sound in just a few clicks. This feature is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time while getting professional-grade results. For those into digital marketing or content creation, SFX Engine AI has a fantastic batch processing feature. You can upload multiple tracks at once and have the software optimize them simultaneously. This could seriously save you hours of work. Whether you're creating sound effects for videos, ads, or social media posts, this tool handles everything with ease. Another standout feature is its compatibility with major editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. If you already use these programs, you'll love how seamlessly SFX Engine AI integrates. It's not a standalone tool, but more of a supercharged plugin that boosts your editing workflow. But how does it handle quality? One of the best parts of SFX Engine AI is that it doesn't compromise on sound fidelity. The AI does an exceptional job of preserving the original quality of the audio while making the necessary enhancements. Whether you're working on podcasts, videos, or commercials, the clarity and richness of your sound will be noticeably improved. Another key point to mention is the constant updates. The team behind SFX Engine AI is very active, ensuring the software continues to evolve. You can expect regular feature enhancements and bug fixes, making it a reliable choice for anyone serious about sound editing. Before you make any decisions, though, it's important to know that SFX Engine AI is currently offering a free trial. Yes, you can try this software for completely free, and you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description below. This gives you the chance to explore all the features risk-free and see if it fits your workflow. Now, for those wondering about pricing, while it's not the cheapest option on the market, the features and quality you get with SFX Engine AI make it more than worth it, especially for anyone in the digital space who needs to process audio quickly and efficiently. To wrap things up, SFX Engine AI is a highly recommended tool for content creators, marketers, and anyone working with sound effects. Its AI-driven enhancements, ease of use, and seamless integration with other software make it a must-have. If you're looking to take your audio editing to the next level, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. And remember, I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and you can find my top recommendations in the description below. Many of them are available for free trials as well, so make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching.